How's it going, everyone? In this video, I want to talk about a huge trade that we caught on SPY today, kind of give you my thought process, what I was looking for here, what I wanted to stay away from. But as always, before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you do not miss out on any of my upcoming videos. As you can see here, I have SPY and SPX pulled up for this demonstration. First off, I want to point out I knew exactly how close we was to that 3,800 when the market opened. This was part of my plan. I did have a bounce area on SPY at 380 as well, which was a little bit above that 3,800, but as a solid support on SPY. Has respected this area several times. Just kind of my thought process there. So if I zoom in here on SPY, this was the opening 5-minute candle. You can see we're starting to trend down. We had data come out, push this on down. So it was trending, making lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows. We entered off another lower high here, caught this move right off of VWAP as well. Took puts. My final price target was 380, a break right below 380 was my final price target. My first trim was break of pre-market low there. We broke that, trimmed, beautiful, moved down to 380. Did exactly what we wanted it to. This was the plan I had before we ever entered this trade. It's very important to have a plan. Do not be a lazy trader. Create a plan pre-market, follow it through. I also was watching that 3,800 on SPX for a bounce. As you can see here, we come down, hit it, came close to it. I took my entry here on ES. I traded ES based off this level. I prefer to scalp, especially when we're trading against trend like you see here. Took a nice scalp up on ES. Called this trade out inside Team Bull as well. Beautiful trade. Beautiful morning overall. Now, some things I like to point out. When we, even if we are trending down, and you can see a clear entry right at these whole psychological numbers on SPX, or just these big support areas, I don't like to take shorts right at support. I either like to fill it or have room down to it. If we're right at this level, chances are I'm not going to take this trade. Same thing with the resistance. If I'm looking for entry for calls, even if we do make a nice high or low, if there's a nice resistance right above, chances are I'm not going to take that trade. Stuff like that has come back and got me in the past. Just giving you some tips that help me kind of not lose. Whichever one loses is part of the game, but not lose as much, I guess I should say. But that's all I have for this video. I appreciate you all for watching, and I will see you next time.